Okay, the purpose of this video is to kind of give you an idea of how loud our neighbors are with their videoke. Tonight is January 7th. It's a Sunday evening. It's about 10:20 and it's about 10:20 p.m. I'm standing in my bedroom and I'm facing the east wall. This here is the north wall. The east wall, and right on the other side of our wall, of this wall, is the neighbors and their videoke. As you might be able to hear, it's pretty loud. We're having a really bad time tonight dealing with this, so I figured I would document it and just kind of give you all an idea of what we have to go through with neighbors like this, blasting their videoke weekend after weekend. This has been ongoing since we moved in a month ago. So let me just kind of move about. We have a bathroom in our bedroom, and I'll just kind of step in here for a moment. Okay. They're actually singing kind of a mellow song right now, so it's not as bad as it would normally be. I'll move on to the spare bedroom now. Okay. I'm still in the house. I'm just walking around. In the spare bedroom now. Okay, they're taking a break. And so will I. Okay, now I'm in the back of the house. I'm in the third bedroom, which is actually my music room. I'm not going to turn on the lights because, well, quite honestly, I don't want to show everybody all the guitars I have. So anyways, pop this window open. I know I'm being a nosy neighbor, but they deserve it. Trust me, I don't usually get involved with the neighbor's business, but they make it my business when they do shit like this, so, you know, can you do? Okay, 10:30 p.m. Sunday evening. I'm outside the front of my house, and as you can see, it's still going. So what I will do is I'm going to walk counterclockwise around the house. And kind of show you. Now I'm on the complete opposite side of the house. My dogs. We got it. Quiet, guys. Oh, I can't even see anything. I'm in the backyard now. I know it's pitch black. You can't see anything, but I am in the backyard. And then I'll walk along the east side of the house. But I won't say anything now because I'm going to be coming right up next to these guys.
I think one word I say.
I don't know if you can see it, but that's my bedroom window. The light is on in the bathroom. Okay, now we're back in the front. Yeah, they don't care. As long as they're having fun.
I love you, Bayaw.
So I know from my many years of drinking that people like that you can't reason with. I could go over there and tell them to keep it down, shut their mouths, whatever, but they would probably yell and scream at me and tell me I'm a fucking asshole, and then there's no winning, really. I mean, other than contacting the barangay, CVOs, whatever, there's really not much you can do. It's just the way it is over here. Sad, but true. Okay guys, wish me luck. It's gonna be a long night. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye-bye.